NEN, Asia's largest community of new and future entrepreneurs, with over 80,000 members and reaching more than 600,000 young people. NEN is a non-profit organization that inspires, educates and supports high-potential entrepreneurs. Its ultimate goal, hundreds and thousands of new jobs for India. And the impact is already evident. With the support of NEN, more and more entrepreneurs are launching and growing companies and creating jobs. Founded in 2003 by the Wadhwani Foundation and 5 leading academic institutes, guided by an eminent board of advisors, global leaders in entrepreneurship, education and business. Leading entrepreneurship faculty from India and around the world. And a senior leadership team. NEN has developed an effective model for transforming academic institutes into engines of economic growth, and for doing this at a large scale. NEN's model is a community-led organization supported by the NEN Trust. Today, the backbone of the community comprises over 500 top academic institutes, 400 student clubs, and a growing number of alumni e-clubs, where NEN community leaders run thousands of entrepreneurship programs, courses, and mentoring activities every year. The NEN Trust provides comprehensive and national-level support to the NEN community. The Trust runs Entrepreneurship Week India, Asia's largest campaign for entrepreneurship. Creates the NEN community by bringing in members, launching and supporting clubs, and running the NEN community portal. Builds the capacity of institutes, faculty, and club leaders through on-ground consulting, faculty development courses, teaching materials, student leadership training, and access to a pool of over 1,000 experts. And connects entrepreneurs to the help they need to grow their companies through the NEN Mentor platform. Bringing together global leaders, the government, the academic community, and more than 500,000 young people, NEN today is leading the entrepreneurial revolution in India. We are NEN.